Hi, welcome back to another video where I talk about how to say no and stop being a people pleaser, because that is not our intention, is like that is not what we're here for, right? So yeah, another episode of Gyan that nobody asked for. You are welcome. First things first, what I would like to say is, for the people who are struggling to say no, I used to be one of them, and it is more like a people pleasing sort of a behavior, and I struggled to say no to people. I was like, okay, yeah, okay, and then not actually talking about how I feel about it. ये सब नहीं होता था, only one sided instruction based होता था. So what I have realized is, after years of being people pleaser, this is my lesson, and which I would like to share with you all, whoever is struggling. So yeah, the real reason why we are not able to say no to people is not because we are afraid of saying no, or not because we can't say no. The real reason is that you are afraid of the consequences, or like what the other person will think if I say no. That is what is making you say yes, yes, yes again and again. Think about it. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल के केस में भी यही होगा मे बी, कि भाई दूसरा बंदा सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा सोच के हम लोग ऑफन बोल देते हैं हाँ यार कोई बात नहीं करके. बट is it actually selling off your self-respect to whole another level? Yes, it is. So that is why we are here to stop that, right? So how do you actually start getting better at this? I would say initially, अब जब आके लोग आपसे बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ यार ऐसा कर दियो वैसा कर दियो, जस्ट से दैट इन अ सटल वे, जस्ट से दैट अच्छा है ऐसा है, मेरे को ना अपना कुछ काम है, और आई एम बिजी विद समथिंग एल्स, आई हैव प्लान्स, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ विच इज़ वाई आई कांट डू दिस. जस्ट से नो इन अ सटल वे, ओके, बिकॉज यू हैव बेटर थिंग्स टू डू, राइट? हम बाकियों का काम करने या फिर उनका ये ड्रामा लेने नहीं आए हैं यहाँ पे, राइट? हमें अपनी भी चीज़ें करनी होती है. एंड I don't know, without realizing we often say that no, and it's a very shitty situation to be in, honestly, because I'll tell you about one of my experiences when I was in college. Okay, so we used to have this current affairs ka session. I don't know for what god forbidden reason, but then we used to have this current affairs ka session every week, and it was divided in roll numbers. So a whole about 8 to 10 students were in one group, and they had to come and talk about give the basic headlines, sports, weather and all of that crap. So one of my friends was as in the same group as me. What I didn't like was she used to travel like 2 hours, okay, like from to college, almost 2 hours. So वो मुझसे कहती है कि यार नव्या, तुम ना मेरा भी कर दे, मेरे को भी मेरा वाला ढूंढ के मेरे लिए न्यूज़ ढूंढ के ना मेरे को भेज दे, बिकॉज आई कांट डू इट बिकॉज आई हैव टू ट्रैवल, नो दैट्स वाई आई कांट डू इट करके. तो मैंने सोचा कि भाई 2 घंटे इसके पास, वाई कांट शी डू इट इन द बस? Like she's traveling anyways, why can't she do it in the bus and copy paste it? Because I was the one making the presentation for it. So she asked me ki, can you do it and I can speak. And you know what, now that I think about it, I was so stupid. I was so stupid. I said yes, and I also did. I did her work, I sent it to her, I pasted in the PPT which I was making. So you see how pathetic can this get, that you almost say that हाँ मैं तो वेली बैठी हूँ ना, तुम्हारा काम तो मैं कर दूँगी वाला सिचुएशन था. So yeah, this is how trashy it can become. What I would suggest is, don't give yourself or your valuable time for other people to take an advantage of, okay? So in a subtle way, we can always say no, because there are so many 8 billion, 10 billion people in this world, and we cannot please anyone and everyone, right? So anyways, you can't please सबको, तो फिर मत करो ना. Yeah, this is what I deserve to listen when I was doing this, but nobody told me. So here I am telling you people now, ताकि you can get through this in a better way, right? So yeah, for more gyan like this, please subscribe, like and share, and comment upon your experiences so that I can build on more with this type of content.